Welcome to the Sims. Today topic is 2013 plus 2013 plus 2013 plus and so on 2013 times is equal 2013 whole power of x. Find the x value. So 2013 plus 2013 like this 2013 times. So 2013 into 2013 because 2013 times. So example 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 so on 10 times means 10 into 10 100. Similarly 2013 into 2013 times, so 2013 into 2013 is equal to 2013 whole power of x. So 2013 into 2013 whole square is equal to 2013 whole power of x. The bases are equal, so powers also equal. 2 is equal to x, x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2, that value. So x is equal to 2. This is the common expenses in between plus how many times given, multiply with that series, the find the x. This is the one of the method. Thank you for watching.